Hi children, today we are going to understand infraction. What is the meaning of whole? One whole. What is the meaning? And we're going to look at it in pictorial form. Each picture, you see the whole picture, the whole circle, the whole triangle. Yes? Now, let's understand fraction. What is a whole? Good. When you say whole, what is 1/1? Good. Let's look at our first picture here. We have some shapes for us to understand what is whole. Now, this is a rectangle. The whole rectangle is there. You take a blue rectangular paper. This is one whole. Rectangle has, it's a long piece, two long sides, two short sides. This is a rectangle and this is the whole rectangle. No parts are cut off. Full one whole. Good. Let's look at our next shape. What shape is this? Square. This is a square. One whole square. You have a kerchief with you. What's the shape? It's a square shape. Look at all the square items in your house. Square stool, square tile, anything cube, anything that is square shape. This is whole, one whole rectangle, one whole square, full. So we are learning what is one whole, 1/1 in fraction. Let's look at another shape. Look at the whole shape. Look at this circle. This is a circle, one whole circle. What are the circle items in your house? Good, clock, yes, plate, okay, anything circular. Round table, round light, round clock, circle, one whole. This circle is whole, no parts are cut off. And in fraction, we'll say 1/1, one whole. Good. Let's look at another shape. Look at this shape. This is a triangle. Triangle. One whole triangle is here. Yes, sometimes you see triangular tiles, triangular watches, triangle. One whole triangle this is. And in fraction we represent it 1/1. One whole. No piece is left out. Good. Let's take another shape and understand what is whole in fraction. Look, oval. What shape is this? Oval. Sometimes at home we'll have oval tables, oval plates. What else is oval in the fridge? Yes, an egg is almost an oval shape. So this is one whole oval in fraction. How do we represent? 1/1. So the whole oval shape is here. Let's look at another shape. Look at this. Heart, very good. This is another shape, heart. The whole heart is here. You might have seen heart-shaped balloons. Yes? Yes, heart. Heart-shaped cake and whatnot. One whole. Full heart is there. Let's look at another picture. Another shape. Understand what is whole. Star. When do you see stars? Festival time, Christmas time. Got 5 corners. Beautiful star. One whole star this is. Yes? Whole.